prepping for mukbangs. Louisiana money, militia, no chump change. Going for the shot with no pistol or gun ranges. Going down like the evening summer or sun rays. Let me get a drum roll, signed like Matumbo. Down south flavor, add some spicy to your gumbo. Be surprised, just subscribe to the channel. Good heart, good vibes, good food, good family. Mukbang's the place to be, and we got what it takes to make you eat. Mukbangs, we do what we do. Like and subscribe if you like to play with your food. Woo!
Hey, what's going on, MK family? Welcome back to Mkbites. We're over here. We play with our food. All right, guys. We're going to do what we do before we get started. You prepare your food, I prepare mine. Let's do this. Amen. 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 All right, guys. So today we're doing something special. And we're doing a taste test. So more flavor reached out to me and wanted me to try out her seafood butter sauce. So right now, so today we having snow crabs, ball eggs, broccoli, boiled corn, sausage, and of course we're going to have the more seafood butter sauce. And of course I'm going to go ahead and put it right here, her information. And this is the jar that it came in. You guys, this, when I got the package in the mail, I thought that it was so cool. Like, this is really glass. Like, her packaging was everything, for real. It was really, really nice. And also too, it came with this card. I'm gonna read this a little bit later. I want to go ahead and dive into it and taste it out. Let's go ahead and see how this goes. All right, more. Y'all ready? First try. Let's see how this goes. And oh, I got the, hold on, before I eat it, hold on. I got the Cajun butter sauce. Spicy Cajun. Y'all ready? Let's eat. Hold on. Okay. Let's go ahead and get it all there right there. All right. I taste the spice. It's not bad though. Y'all know I don't like hot stuff. Tastes really good. Okay. Let's try with some broccoli though. Y'all see that? Okay. I taste the spice. And for the drink today, we're having some Gatorade fruit punch. Cheers. Good. Let's get back into this sauce. Not bad. Yeah, y'all know if I could take it. It's really flavorful. Let's go ahead and do this right here. Really good. for cheers. Let's try the corn out on it, though. No, excuse me. It's really good. The flavor is in here for real. If you're looking for spicy, yo, I can feel it now. It's really spicy. Cheers. She asked me that I want the mild or the spicy. That's what I want, the spicy. Because when I eat seafood, a lot of times, I like it more on the Cajun side. And normally when I go like to seafood restaurants, I get the mild. It's not as flavorful as the spicy. That's why I want the spicy. Come on, come on. I feel it on my lip. Let's go ahead. I want to tell y'all more about it real fast. Hold on. Here. So the product name is Crave More. It's the company, and it came with this card right here. Oh, put it upside down. It came with this card right here, and it said thank you for your order, and they have all her social medias. It came with, oh yeah, the box when it came in, it had like the styrofoam stuff all in it. The guy packaging was amazing. Also too, all of this like was sealed with like the plastic, and I felt like that was cool. And like I said before, I got the spicy Cajun butter sauce. It's right here. And if you keep it in the freezer, you could last, I'm gonna put it right here. And if you keep it refrigerated, right here, I'm gonna put like everything that she says. Her name is More Flavor on YouTube. So I'm gonna put all her social medias right here. And y'all, guess what? She even give me a discount code for y'all. So you can save some money when y'all, if y'all wanna try to audit and see how it tastes. I want to taste the mild one next, because the spicy one is good, but it's spicy. So if y'all like spicy, get it. But like right now, I've been talking and just been chilling, and for real, like now, like it went away. So it's not like it's something that's gonna linger around. So it's not bad. But if you don't like spicy, try them out. And I think that she has some spices too, as far as like stuff you're able to put like on chicken and stuff. I like it. I'm gonna eat it again. I want to try it out with some mussels. Let's see how it tastes. That way it won't come out. More flavor. Look at that, y'all. Y'all see it? Oh, that's my mouth. There we go. That was the bite right there. Come on, there we go. I'm wasting everything. Cheers. Oh, spicy, y'all. Cajun spice. There we go. I couldn't even talk. Sorry for that, y'all. Woo! Cheers. Y'all, it's really spicy. If y'all love spice, y'all will love her Cajun spice butter sauce. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna break it apart. Whoa! Is this spice Mkbites approved? If you love spicy, you will love it. It have like a kick to it, but the flavor is really, really good. I could taste some pepper. You could taste a little bit of the brown sugar. And also too, you could, like, it is spicy, but it's not like in your face. But like right now, I do feel like a little tingle on my lip. Would I ever purchase this sauce? Excuse me. Yes, I would. I would purchase this sauce, and I'm gonna, matter of fact, I'm gonna eat the rest of it again with some mussels. And also too, I wanna get some raw oysters and see how it tastes with it. I'm gonna put in the description box below the coupon code so you guys are able to go to her store and shop your hearts away. We gonna do what we do around this time. If you don't mind, take a little time to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cheers. Bye.
MK and I'm reppin' for Mukbangs. Louisiana money, militia, no chump change. Going for the shot with no pistol or gun ranges. Going down like the evening summer or sun rays. Let me get a drum roll, signed like Matumbo. Down south flavor, add some spicy to your gumbo. Be surprised, just subscribe to the channel. Good heart, good vibes, good food, good family. Mukbangs the place to be, and we got what it takes to make you eat. Mukbangs, we do what we do. Like and subscribe if you like to play with your food. Woo!